In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT prompts to generate and refine recipes. Let's get started. First, I click on the input text area at the bottom where it says, Ask Anything. I type in my initial prompt, teach me how to cook a simple Filipino dish step by step. Make it easy for beginners and include ingredients, cooking time, and tips. Then, I click the up arrow send button to submit it. ChatGPT processes the request and suggests chicken adobo. It lists the cooking time, totaling about 50 minutes, followed by a complete ingredients list for chicken, soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, bay leaves, pepper, oil, and rice. As I scroll down, we can see the step-by-step instructions. Step 1 is preparing the chicken. Step 2 covers sautéing the garlic for 30 seconds. Step 3 instructs to brown the chicken pieces for 3 to 5 minutes per side. Step 4 outlines pouring in the soy sauce, vinegar, and water, adding the bay leaves and pepper, and notes not to stir for the first few minutes. Step 5 explains letting it simmer on low heat for 30 minutes. Step 6 gives advice on adjusting the taste, and Step 7 covers serving it hot with rice. It finishes with beginner tips and a quick shortcut formula. Next, I click on the prompt box again to refine my search. I type in, give me a very easy version of the recipe using only common ingredients found in a typical Filipino kitchen. I click the send button to submit the instruction. The response updates to a super easy chicken adobo. The preparation time drops to 5 minutes, and the cooking time is 30 minutes. The ingredients list is streamlined to just chicken, soy sauce, vinegar, water, garlic, and pepper. The steps are summarized into putting everything in a pot, bringing it to a boil, lowering the heat to simmer for 25 to 30 minutes, adjusting the taste, and serving. I click on the prompt box one last time for a budget alternative. I type, suggest a cheaper version of the dish without losing too much taste. And hit send. The system responds with an egg adobo recipe, listing 6 hard-boiled eggs with the classic adobo sauce ingredients. The steps cover boiling and peeling the eggs, boiling the sauce, adding the eggs, and simmering for 10 to 15 minutes. It also lists other cheap alternatives like tofu or string beans, and concludes with a helpful money-saving tip. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.